As much as we are praying for our divine helpers to locate us, and as much as we keep on praying, divine helpers locate us, right? Let's not forget that the distance between you and your divine helper must be filled by what? Your divine connector. Most people don't know the importance of divine connector. You see, you can struggle and struggle and struggle for years praying for God, help me to locate my divine helper. Forgetting that for that help to be possible, your divine connector must act first. So this week, this December, 1st of December 2025, as much as you are praying for your divine helper to locate you, also pray for your divine connector. Don't forget to pray for your divine connector, because they are very, very important and their role is lasting. Pray for your divine connector.